In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook Pixel to your store. Head to this store. Head for the apps, search for recommended apps, open Shopify App Store, or alternatively search Shopify App Store from Google. Gonna go back, close this tab for making it clear, and then gonna search Facebook Pixel. Click on it, and then I'm gonna be prompted with this page. First of all, since we're just doing demonstration purposes, I'm going to search for free alternatives. I recommend you choose paid alternative as they are very good. And then I'm gonna click on this one or this one, for example. So TikTok Pixel and Facebook Pixel seems like a good solution. I'm gonna click add app right here. Keep in mind that I'm not going to show you the tutorial on how to create the pixel on Facebook. I assume that you already know that, and you will have your pixel code, your pixel tracking code, after doing that, making sure that you have your pixel tracking code, create a pixel, for example, and connect to your Facebook account, you'll be good to go.